So you are interested in Ninja BL660? No doubt it is a wise choice and it is one of the top 5 countertop blenders on the market now. You will find the latest price in the description down below. And if you'd like to know the other 4 products of the top 5 countertop blenders, please don't hesitate to click on the link that appears in the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, now let's talk about the Ninja BL660. Quality and value go a long way in making a countertop blender stand out from the crowd, both of which Ninja BL660 achieves with ease. The Ninja Professional Blender and Nutri Ninja Cups is a professional, high-powered kitchen tool with 1,100 watts of power. Blender Pitcher features total crushing blades that blast through ice and frozen fruit in seconds for perfect ice crushing, blending and controlled processing. Plus, it's 16 ounces. Nutri Ninja Cups with to-go lids make it easy to take delicious, nutrient-rich juices on the go. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. That would be all for this video and thanks for watching. We hope you liked it, and if you're interested in our channel, please consider to subscribe and give us a like. We also do videos like this for a wide variety of products, all aimed at helping you to make better buying decisions.